Yo, what's good everybody? It's your boy Reggiejaysneakz coming at you guys today with a new video. As you guys see that from the title down below, I'm gonna go ahead and try to make my way back to Ross, back to Marshalls, back to Burlington since everything is kind of opening back up. And I'm making a lot of messages saying, hey yo, when you gonna drop sneaker reviews? When you gonna drop your sneaker collection? When you gonna start back dropping sneaker related videos? Because everything was slowing down. Everything was getting closed down in Chicago and everything. So I really wasn't trying to be out in the streets trying to cop shoes if I couldn't really get them offline. I really haven't really been copping too much. I've been trying to get my car together and getting everything else together with stuff like that. And especially with all these release dates getting pushed back and pushed forward, it's kind of like made it a little bit harder for me to try to make more videos because I don't want to make my normal videos that I normally make, like my monthly sneaker reviews, my monthly sneaker drops and all that stuff. But since I know a lot of you guys kind of like those videos, I'm gonna try to go ahead and bring that stuff back to the channel because I know that's what pretty much started my channel, which was sneakers. So I really don't want to put that on the back burner because I know that's where a lot of you guys came from. But yeah, just know my channel is still gonna be elevating over time. So like I said, I'm gonna still be doing the shoe stuff, still gonna be doing everything I love to do, which is cars, music, pops, and everything else. At the end of the day, this is Reggiejaysneakz. There's no specific thing on this channel. There's gonna be one thing. So just know that you guys will be getting a lot of different videos throughout the years, or I guess you guys say over time. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. I'm gonna try to make this video, I guess, a little lifestyle-ish. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the shower. As you guys can see, it's early in the morning. Ross and everything is barely about to open. So I know they're still having lines and all that stuff. So hopefully, since today's in the middle of the week and it's kind of hot outside, hopefully, a lot of people ain't out, but we'll see once I go ahead and get ready. So I get back with you guys once I get out the shower, get dressed, and about to get out the crib. So in the meantime, between time, you guys don't get straight into this video, but you guys already know. Matter of fact, hold up. Before we get into the video, you guys already know I was gonna let y'all go, but I gotta make sure you guys do one more thing for me before we get to the video. That's just to go ahead and stop what you guys are doing. Drop a like right now on this video as well as a comment. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. And if you guys are old to the channel, make sure you guys have notification bell set to on. And make sure you guys have notification bell set to all so you guys know when I drop a new video and when I'm dropping. But with all that being said, everybody, let's go ahead and get straight to this video. So in the meantime, between time, you guys, I'll see you guys once I'm leaving to get in the car. All right, you guys, so hope you guys can see me. I'm already dressed, ready to go. Got my pods, because I know I'm about to either stand in line or hopefully not, because they already been saying it's about to hit 90 degrees and it's barely 11 o'clock right now, almost 12 o'clock. So I'm about to go ahead and try to run to these stores, get in here and see what they have so I can show you guys these steals and these deals. So hopefully you guys are ready for these steals and deals to be returned. Just because, like I told you guys before, everything was closed down because of the whole crisis and the coronavirus and everything else. So we're still gonna have our masks on. I got them already in the car, as well as some gloves, because you know we're gonna be touching shoes and touching everything else if they do have shoes in these stores. But yeah, you guys, make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe, and yeah, make sure you guys leave a comment down below, because I told you guys I do reply to every comment and I do keep your suggestions in mind. So yeah, you guys, I'm about to go ahead and get in this car. I already got it automatic started. So yeah, we can go ahead and get straight in there with the air conditioner already running. All right, so now we just made it down to the car. I'm about to go ahead and get the day started. You know what I'm saying? Got the AC rolling. Hopefully the fan's not too high. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this panoramic roof open, get to this store, get out here and get to the steals and deals, you guys, man. It's like I'm gonna show you guys right now on my GPS. Hold up. Look, as you guys can see that it's already 84 degrees outside and it's barely 11:15 in the morning. So yeah, we're about to go ahead and get to these stores, get out here real quick. Let me change this one to the front so we can go ahead and get all that cold air in here. I'm gonna get to this store. I'll see you guys once we get there. Hopefully there's no lines, but the one I'm gonna go to first, I actually have Ross and a Burlington all in the same plaza. So if one has a line, the other one don't, we just go to there. But I'm gonna try to just go to Ross and Burlington today because I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm kind of making it like a lifestyle video today. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna see you guys once we get over there. So in the meantime, between time, I'll see you guys, like I told you guys upstairs for the 5th time. I'll see you guys once we get to the store. One of my spots that I like to go to out here. So this one actually, I forgot, actually has Marshalls right here. As you guys can see, Marshall Home Goods. Then you guys got the Ross over there, and then you guys got Burlington even down a little bit further. So you know what, I don't see no line here at Marshalls, so I'll probably just park up and then I probably just end up just going in there since there's no line, or I probably could just ride around the whole parking lot right now and see if there's any lines at any of them, because if it's not, then I could just pull up at Ross and Marshall's first, and then I could just see. But nah, Marshall, I mean, Ross look like there's no line either, so maybe the lines out here is kind of died down. So let's just go in Marshall's first, I mean Burlington first, I guess, then Ross, and then we can make our way back to Marshall's, and then yeah, we should be good. Parked up, gotta park a little far away from everything, but this is how I'm thinking about doing the video. Depending on what we find, this is how the video's gonna get broken up. If we find a lot of stuff at each one of these stores, then I guess I'll just divide this up into 3 parts. If not, if it's all dry, all of them, then I just tape all 3 stores still, and then I just add it all in one video. So if you guys want to, you know, just letting you guys know, if you guys watching the video, it's going to either be 3 parts, or it's going to just be 1 part depending on what's in the store. So let's go ahead and get in here. Like I already told you guys while I was driving up, there's no lines at all 3 stores. So yeah, we can just go ahead and hit this one spot up right quick, and then yeah, end the video off here, or you know what I'm saying, just making it 3 parts, and you guys just have to keep on watching every video. So let's go ahead and get straight into these stores and see if we can find some steals and some deals. Alright, you guys, we're here, and not really much here. Got some cleats. A lot of this stuff is already cleared out. Sorry if I sound weird, I got this mask on, but got these cleats in here, $10. Take an extra 10% off, I mean 50% off, so what, $5 for these? Pretty dope. I had to look these up and see if these worth anything. They got a couple ones up here. These as well, tons, but you get another extra 15% off, I mean extra 50% off, so these. But yeah, everything else is all cleared out. We got some felines, nothing else. Pretty much some more cleats right here, some more alphas. Same thing, $10, so $5 for these as well. Got some more cleats, $25 with the extra 50% off. But this one is Nike Carbon 2.0s. Cleats, size 12, size 14, $25 for these as well. Also got these shoes, I don't even know what these are. These joints is huge. Oh, size 18, $30. Engineering, but man, these shoes is huge, size 18. That's almost double my size. That was size 10. Yeah, they pretty much, this is all they pretty much got back here. Everything else is pretty much empty. Cleats, more cleats here. So that's all they have here, pretty much cleats. Got some Nikes right here as well. Big size is only those. See what else they got for the little sizes. This is size 12. More cleats and orange. More alpha cleats here. They got these here though. These I'm not too sure. I think these probably be good. I'll probably check these out. How much are these? $25. Not bad. Still nothing. Nautical shoes down here. Tommy Hilfiger. But yeah, man, this store is pretty much white. They cleared this joint out. Fila City. Cleats in Fila City. That's all you see in here. More cleats, more Filas. Random Adidas, more cleats. I guess you could say these are golf shoes right here for $28. Size 11.5. If you guys that hear me, like I said, I got the mask on. If not, I guess I just do a voiceover. First pair of Nike shoes we found in here. That's actual shoes and not cleats. Cross trainer, size 12. Nike Air in the back. They only want $45 for them, but you get the extra 50% off. Extra 50% off. Got more cleats here. Dress shoes. More sandals. Man, they cleared this joint all the way out. Same thing with this side. More cleats. Dress shoes, cleats. More cleats. Cleats Elway, that's what we gonna call Burlington today. Cleat City, boy.
Yeah.
More cleats. Nothing else. I think I'm about to just go ahead and guide here, you guys, and get to the next store because there ain't nothing else in here. Cleats. And that's gonna be the end of the video. I know I told you guys it's gonna be 3 parts if I didn't find anything, and later on I didn't want this video to pretty much be like a 20 or 15 or 30-minute video trying to go to all the stores. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end this video off here. The next video is gonna pretty much be Ross, and I end up going to Marshall's. So I'll bring you guys over there with me as well. And yeah, you guys, let me know what shoe was your favorite, because we pretty much didn't find nothing. My store was wiped out. We didn't have nothing in there. All you guys pretty much seen was cleats, Feli's, a couple little bit of Nikes, and bro, that's pretty much it. But you guys let me know if I missed anything, if I should go back, or if I missed something. You guys let me know, how's your Burlington looking, because right now my Burlington is looking dry, but that one just got remodeled, so I know they probably gonna end up getting a lot of more good stuff. And yeah, that's just one of my spots I like to go to, because I do go to a lot of Ross stores around here, because it is a lot of Ross in Chicago. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you guys think about this video down in the comments down below. Make sure you guys stay tuned because I am going to be dropping a lot more videos this week just to try it out to see how you guys like it. So make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. So in the meantime, between time, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.